how to trade with the automated bots and trade like a pro. Try to flip this 495 USDTs to at least 600. So but there is copy trading and there is free classes. If you use the link in my bio, you join the free classes, which you don't pay for. So make sure you have Binance account where you buy your assets, and also RunQuilly. And I will be doing copy trading, of which I'll be accepting only the first 30 requests for free. So the rest one you'll have to pay at least $5 for you to join the trade, because I have done the analyzing and everything. So the bots here are free. We are using automated bots and they are free. Make sure your RunQuilly account is funded. You can see mine is funded and trading. So just come here, click on trading bots. We are using automated bots. Don't forget that we are using automated bots. So we could have traded with this, but it takes 30 minutes actually. Let's flip with this one. So we'll do 100 with this bot. It's called Swift Trader Bot. So I've been trading with this Swift Trader Bot for the longest time. This is my favorite bot actually. It is always running on profits. And remember to set your take profit for your bot or stop loss. But for me, I won't set, because I'll be sharing my trade. So if you join and my trade has hit the stop loss or the take profit, you will be affected on your side. So if I was trading on myself, I could have set the stop loss and take profit to minimize the risks. So we are running our bot. We are running our automated bot, and the first one has formed a very big one. That's a profit of 5.1. Let me check the info. We started with 100. Let's see in the next 3 minutes what we could have made. We will have made, we will have made. Let me use that language. Another one. So imagine you have 100 USDTs and in 2 minutes you've made $6. That's amazing, guys. With this bot, another $1. We are at 8. So let me share my trade, because this one goes for only 30 minutes. This one goes for only 30 minutes. For those who will be lucky you. For those who, and I'm sharing on WhatsApp only. This one I'm sharing on WhatsApp only. That's the advantage of doing the right thing and following me. 14, a PNL of 14. So let me share my guys. These are the history. Let me share on WhatsApp, then I come back. So it has been shared, guys, and you can see the requests have started coming. So like this one is doing 13,000. Let me approve that. Stop loss of 6. Ethan is doing 1,600. You guys are crazy. This one is doing 52. Yeah, the bot runs for 52. I've approved that. This one, what the, all this money? Okay, that's good risk. This is 223k, 229,000 in USDTs, not in Kenya, not Tanzania. Okay, guys. Okay, let me approve. You guys, I can see you are doing great. So this means that you maximize your capital. So you guys are good followers. 68. Yeah. Below 50, I won't approve, because the bot, the minimum is 50 actually. 129. How many so far? 16. 16 requests. 16 requests. Let's see another one. Let me approve at least 20. Then at least 20, guys. At least 20. The requests are coming. And the list I've seen is 54. The others are, most of them are 1,000. So that means people are serious. People want profit. People want profits. How many? Should I do 30? Actually, let me do 30, then we close it. It's only 30 minutes. It's only 30 minutes, guys. It's only 30 minutes. How many remaining? Let me see. Let me check. I'll approve only 30 for free. 27, 3 remaining, 1. 28, 2 remaining. Let's see. This one has a capital of 135. Let's let the bot run. One remaining will be the lucky one. The lucky one, only one remaining. Let me choose randomly the highest. This one. So we are closed. I won't approve any other request. So if you missed this one, make sure you follow me on WhatsApp and join the next one. 10. We are doing 10 in the morning, 10 in the night, at night, I mean. So if you missed this one, I'm sorry. I said act fast, you act fast. Always make sure your RunQuilly is funded so that when I share the link, you are always there. 10. I'm sorry today was late, but it is 10. The requests are coming. No mercy for lateness, no mercy. I reject. For those who follow the rules, we go with them. Reject. I will reject them. Yeah, I will reject them. Let me reject like 2. Then we call it a day. Actually, 2. So we call it a day. Make sure next time you are on time.